Hello internets, it's Riptard here, and this is a piano tutorial video in which I'm going to teach you how to play the only 4 chords that really matter. Now I know what you're thinking, aren't there more than 4 chords that matter? Well, if you listen to pop music on the radio, you might not think so, because a lot of songs you hear use only these 4 chords. So that's why I'm going to teach you how to play them. And if you want to see more of what I'm talking about, I'm going to link some videos on the side here. I have 4 videos in which I play a bunch of songs using only these 4 chords on the guitar, but it also works for the piano after I teach you these 4 chords. Also, I have a video over here, how to learn the 4 chords on guitar. I also have a video of learning strumming patterns on the guitar for those songs. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so here's the keyboard, and the first thing you'll notice is that there's white keys and black keys. And the black keys go in a pattern of 2, there's a space there, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. And so that's important in figuring out which notes are which. Now the first chord I'm going to teach you is G. So to find G, you look at the pattern of 3 black keys, and it's the note in between these two. So that's a G note. And anywhere on your keyboard, that note is a G. And the way you count notes is it starts on an A, which is right above G, and it goes A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then repeats back to A, B, C. And so that's how you know which note on the keyboard is which. And now all of the 4 chords I'm going to teach you, the bottom note always starts with the name of the chord. So G chord, you start with your G, and you want to put your thumb on the G, and then skip a white note, put your middle finger on that, skip a white note, and put your pinky on that. So, that is a G chord. Once again, G. So there you go, you know one of the 4 chords. Second chord, D. This one's the trickiest of the 4 because it's the only one of the 4 I'm going to show you that's different than the first chord. D uses this note. So start on your D, which is in between the 2 black notes. And then you're going to want to put your middle finger right there on the first of the 3 black. So thumb, middle finger, last finger goes on A, which is right above G. So there's D. So we have G and D. Now, your third chord is E minor. This one's just like G, except for you start on an E, which is the white note just above the 2 black notes. So here's our G, here's our E minor. Just keep your hand solid. Your hand does not change. Those 3 notes, 3 notes. So note, skip a note, skip a note. There's E minor. So G, D, E minor. And our last one is simple. It's exactly like G and E minor, except for you go 2 down. So you start on a C with your thumb, skip a note, skip a note, there's C. So G, E minor, and C are all the exact same in which you skip a note in between each finger. D is the only weird one. And so if you're playing the 4 chords, and then you just repeat that. Now, if you want to play with both hands, probably the easiest thing you can do is take your fingers on your left hand and just hit the name of the note chords. So, G, D, E, C. And then over here, you can be playing your chords. So, and then you can sing along with that. And if you want to get a little tricky, you can just kind of make up your own strumming patterns. One of them I like to do is, what I'm doing there is I'm playing those straight quarter notes, and in this hand I'm kind of alternating, so I go. it'll take you a little while before you can switch between chords that fast, but with a little practice you'll have it in no time. And there you go. Now you know how to play the 4 chords. Once again, I'm going to link you those 4 videos in which I play a lot of songs using only those 4 chords. I'm going to link you my guitar lesson video and my strumming pattern lesson video. If you found this video helpful, please click subscribe. Please also click the thumbs up like button below, and stay tuned for videos in the future. Riptard out.